Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to duplicate the page on Elementor WordPress and basically with no plugin. So first of all, you want to go ahead and click this save options and save this as a template. Now let's write down duplicate, and after that you will see here is your page. Now when you open up a new page, and here you are on your new page, you want to go ahead and go on this container, and you don't want to click this option, but you want to click a folders option right there. Now you click my templates, and here is our page we just duplicated, and you want to click insert, apply, and now you need to wait a little bit, and here is your page. Now it's inserted into this page. You can go ahead and delete this one. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you duplicate the page in Elementor for free. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.